Meaning of file sharing.
File sharing.
File sharing.
File sharing.
File sharing. File sharing refers to the practice of distributing or transferring digital files, such as documents, music, videos, and images, over a network or the Internet. The objective is to allow multiple users to access and download the same file. This method of sharing files has gained popularity due to its convenience and cost-effectiveness. File sharing can be done through various means, such as peer-to-peer networks, cloud storage, and email attachments. However, there are concerns about copyright infringement and piracy associated with file sharing, which can lead to legal consequences for users.